Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading, guys. Started a little bit slow today. Had a bit of a early session. Okay, now we're ready to rock this New York, guys. Current time is 7:50 here. Make sure to check the description box, guys. Not a buy or sell channel. Okay, we're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. Try not to risk more than 1%, guys. Especially today, we have some crazy news. All right, leading into 9:30. Okay, we'll go over that in a little bit. Guys, we're not financial advisors, so like I said, try to risk a little bit lower today, right? News events can be crazy volatile. We've done them in the past. Okay, yesterday was very slow, some of the chop we got, but today I think will be even more volatile. So guys, with that being said here, I have US 30. I'm going to do US 30 in gold right away. Okay, GU, there's already a trade set up sent to the group, so we're going to probably just let that one fly from what we're seeing here, and then I might focus on just Nasdaq. All right, so let's take a peek at US 30 here, guys. Okay. All right. Current time 7:50. Okay, so let's get done probably US 30 in gold before 8 a.m. Let's see if we can do that. All right. So what I'm looking for here, we have some daily demand. You can see that price is pushing up. I'm going to actually gather this area right here. Okay. Move it just a little bit down. And this is the price that price pushed, held a couple taps of support, and then we started to walk to the upside. Secondly, coming from over here, okay, we have in terms of a supply area. All right, you can see pretty straightforward. Previous structure here, okay, broke through. Now we retested here at roughly 32,000. Okay, and then we need to switch this to red. Okay, perfect. All right, so my next goal is, guys, getting our daily support and resistance. Okay, you guys know how this is going, so I see nice daily support kind of right around this area right here in terms of the wick. For me, this is the key right here. We'll get the other one on the 4-hour. You can see right there also we have daily resistance. So daily resistance is coming in. All right. Resistance. Okay. Check the RSI here. We're just getting rejected at the 50. We're still above that moving average though. So we're looking at daily support. Okay. All right. So let's drop down to the 4-hour. Okay, and you can see this is what we're working with on our 4-hour time frame. I see some nice support level here, 4-hour. Okay, pretty straightforward. If we go to the left, you can see it's also holding support. All right, so go 4-hour support. All right, my next key resistance area here, I'm looking for the bigger structure. We'll get this on the hourly. Okay, so 4-hour resistance. Guys, good morning. Hi from Sweden. Hi from Dubai, guys. Hello from Canada. Guys, if you guys are from different places around the world, give it some love here. Represent the country strong. Okay. Also, we're going to check out our drop down to our 1-hour here. There we go. A little bit of consolidation. Nigeria, Jamaica, guys. Hi from Italy. Welcome, guys. It's awesome. There we go. Okay, you can see pretty straightforward. I see some hourly resistance. Okay. And then my next candle, you can see we're kind of consolidated right now, guys. We're consolidated right now. All right. Love from Pakistan, love from South Africa, guys. This is awesome. USA Charlotte, welcome, guys. Okay, I see nice 1-hour support here forming. Beautiful. Okay, so let's take a peek now. Let's just update this. All right, take a peek at the 15. All right. Guys, the Dow found some nice support level here and it's starting to push pretty strong. All right, I see 15-minute resistance coming in. Okay. And I'm looking at my 15-minute support level. We're pushing pretty strong right now. This could be, you know, the push for the overall maybe bearish continuation, grabbing some liquidity here. So we have 15-minute support. That's just an potential observation. Okay. Just give me 1 sec here. All right, guys, we're running 15 pips on GU. Okay. And you can see we're starting to really push up, guys, starting to test that hourly on US 30. Okay. Let's go to the 5. See how we're moving here. Okay, pretty straightforward. I see a little bit of resistance coming here if we do break above. That's the hourly. Okay, so here's what we're looking at right here. We're going to focus on these two areas. So we're going to add an alert right here at roughly 31,055. Okay, and then I'm going to make another quick little alert right at this structure right here. All right. Okay, so that's US 30 done. I just want to check out GBP, guys, still running. Okay, don't get greedy on GU. Let's take a peek at Goldie here now. Okay, this is gold in the 5 minutes, guys. You can see long bottom wicks. All right, so let's go from gold in the daily. Okay, look at this chop here, guys. You can see this is something that if you don't feel comfortable with, you know, you do not need to trade gold. All right, some people don't even like it, so they stay away altogether, which absolutely respect the fact that they do that. Okay, you can see I have some nice demand here on the daily. All right, okay, and then my supply is coming up just a little higher. Pretty straightforward. Going to look at this general area right here. Mikey P, it looks like potentially yes, but again, if you can see the higher highs that they are, sorry, the higher lows that they are making there. Bottom wick here, this close is a little bit higher than this is closing higher, so we need to actually get a lot of rejection coming. It's pretty straightforward if you can spot trends. Like you can see, it's in a nice rejection area right now, but it's in that daily demand. Even if you stretch this all the way across, you guys can see that this is the structural area where they've made nice little bounces multiple times. Okay. So gold does have the ability to push, okay, but today is going to be that news that can really drop gold down to get to that maybe 1700s area, okay, potentially. Remember, this is all potential. All right. So let's take a peek here. Going to gather some daily support. Okay, and I'm going to gather my daily resistance right here. Okay, I'm using bodies today. You guys can see if you want to use wicks, you're more than welcome to. It'll give you the ability to maybe get a 4-hour, an hourly support and resistance. Okay, so let's take a peek now at the 4-hour. Okay, I'm actually probably liking that right there. Good. Okay. And then we can see we have 4-hour resistance coming in this general area right here. It's getting the wick down right now. Okay. And I'm going to see my 4-hour support just a little bit below. Okay, let's take a peek now at the hourly here. Okay, US 30 is bullish right now, guys. Same with Nasdaq. All right, I got 1 hour support. Okay, looking for my hourly resistance. It's a little bit higher. I would be using this here, but generally you can see that big wick push down. So I'm going to use these wicks up here. Okay. Okay, and we're going to go to 15-minute. Okay, so we have a nice 15-minute support level. Okay, and I see nice 15-minute resistance right above there as well. Okay. All right, let's take a peek. Okay, and now let's drop to the 5-minute, guys, and see what kind of candles we got here. This is what I want to see right here. Okay. Okay, so 5-minute. If we do tend to break that 15-minute here, okay, and then I'm looking at some 5-minute resistance right here. Okay. Perfect, guys. Okay, 1 sec. Get some coffee. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Probably hurt your ears. My bad. Okay. So we're going to leave this alone for a little bit here. We're coming into 8 o'clock now. Now is the new hourly. Okay, switch over. Let's take a peek at US 30. Okay, very bullish right now. Okay, so if we start to break above this, you know, you can actually, we're coming to a key area right now where price can maybe get a little bit of resistance. But if we do start to push up, okay, we can tap the next key areas and have that nice little push to right about there potentially. Okay, I might try a little bit of a feeler buy on US 30. Okay, let's just watch and see here. This is the new 8 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to give it to about 8:05 and see how this is going to move, just because there we go. There's the nice break. Okay, 8:05. You can see will be the first 5-minute, guys. That's what I was trying to say before that thing pushed. Okay, so I'm running about 10 pips on that US 30 buy. There we go. Beautiful move, guys. Did anyone grab that buy? Okay, if you guys didn't, that's okay. You know, you're probably waiting. But that was the area of entry right there, and the TP you can see is starting to run. Okay, if you guys are still in on this, guys, move your stop loss to break even if you'd like. All right. And go from there. Okay. So that was a nice 5-minute resistance breakthrough to the next TP. All right, so don't, guys, for real, don't get greedy here. Okay, that was an impulse move right at the beginning of the new hourly. Generally, I don't really take things like that. Okay, Nasdaq was very much the same. All right, so if you guys are coming down to break even, you know, if you don't want to have that BE trade, just make sure you grab your pips right now or leave a runner. Okay, because we can get to the next level. All right, we might get a short-term pullback. Okay. And now you're probably wondering, do you buy right now? Do you buy at the highs? It'd be a little bit of an iffy buy here, honestly, because check out the RSI. I would wait for maybe a short-term pullback. All right. The best opportunities are right in here, getting at the levels of resistance. Okay. It's overbought, telling you that price has still potential maybe to tap the high here, but you can see on the new time, we have 1 minute left here. The new candle, if it holds below, okay, obviously we're going to get a little bit of a retracement here. If it starts to close above, we'll be in potentially the next level at 31122. Okay. Okay, so let's take a peek one time at gold here. I want to see if it kind of sold off. Okay, a little bit of rejection on gold. I'm noticing this long wick on gold right here, guys. Okay, that's just me, but that's pushing down to 1800. We got to get a little bit of push down here. This could be performing a head and shoulder. Okay. All right, so if we get that head and shoulder pattern here, I'm looking for the gold potential drop coming in. All right, there's a lot of resistance coming in at that 1827 area. So we'll watch and see how this is going to move. Don't enter in prematurely if you don't feel comfortable with that 15-minute. Come down here and give it to the 5. All right. Okay, we're still testing that level, guys. This is a very strong candle. Okay, here's the new 5-minute. Okay, remember we talked about the possible pullback coming here if they don't get above, so watch this thing kind of retrace. Guys, I would look to secure at least 70-80% of this if you guys haven't done it already. Okay, so getting a lot of power here, guys. Okay, it's still running. Let it do its thing. If we still run, it is what it is. Okay. I'm on big drawdown, man. I was in a sell, now about to blow my account knees. Which sell were you in? Nothing should lead to that kind of a... Nothing should lead to that kind of a access on the account unless it's over leveraged. Yeah. Okay. US 30 in a sell. Yeah. Okay, maybe you just sold a little too soon. Okay, and the momentum was bullish, guys. If we talk about this trade right here, all right, look at how overbought we are right now. Okay, we're coming from an oversold territory right here. You have an engulfing candlestick. Price is starting to hold. The only sell I would be looking for is if it broke this structure right here. Okay, in terms of this area, all right. Okay, so for right now, you can see that although price is still showing overbought territory, we are still rising up. Why? Because the momentum is still very strong. Okay. Okay, gold still pushing up as well. Okay, gold is still very strong here. Nothing really looking like is going to take gold down at this moment. I think what might take gold down though is the news, if it's possible. Okay, it's still very bullish right now. I think it's still going to pump up a bit. I'm still going to keep this one here. Okay, we're just going to monitor this accordingly and go from there. What leverage is best of a mid-value account? Someone said 1 to 2,000. I'll let you guys answer that one. Yeah, I'm gonna say little 1 to 2,000 is just a little bit too much. You know, my word, I would probably be doing, 1 to 50. 50 to 1, max maybe 100. Okay, so guys, first 5-minute candle has gone through. We're lading about under a minute and 30 now for the next. This is going to be 8:10. Okay, I always like to see what's going on with the 8:15 candle here. That's the first 15-minute candle, obviously, of the new hour. 3 5-minute candles, obviously. All right, 15-minute time frame holds very good weight and it shows very good structure. Okay, so you can see we've had a 3-bar play right here. you know, 1, 2, 3 with a continuation. All right. So if US 30 wants to continue, guys, like we have nothing stopping it until this level right here, right above. Okay, that's on the 5, but you can see on the 15, that is the key level around 31,135 area. Okay, and you can see the reason why I'm saying this is it's the previous support level. Okay, now this is not to say that price is even going to make it there, but this is just an observation on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and you can see now they're starting to get a little bit of retracement here. Okay, so US 30s, now this is what I want to see, the 810 candle here. A little bit of rejection at the high, 31120. Okay. Haven't really looked at any of the moving averages here, guys. Just saw a nice little opportunity right off the bat. Okay, there's RSI. You can see 200 and the 50. Okay, oh sorry, not 50, sorry, 9, my bad. I was messing around with the 50-day yesterday, so I was in my head. All right, so you can see now they're starting to come back, probably retest that 5-minute. All right, that trade, guys, actually ran pretty nice. You're talking about maybe a 30 pip move. Okay, that's a big trade, guys, and this thing can still run. I think what's going to happen is here, they're going to probably push it right back down to the 200 EMA. Okay, maybe the 9's going to tap at around here. Then you're going to see a little bit of indecision trading before the news. Okay. Okay, so you can see right here, guys, 830. Okay, GDP. Let's go check this out. Okay, so why traders care? All right, it's the broadest measure of economic activity and the primary gauge of economic health. Guys, big news folder at 8:30, but that's not done there. You can see then we at 9 a.m. guys, today is going to be extremely volatile. Okay, you guys got to see what's going on here. You got GDP, okay, and then you have your major speaking events here. You have US, you have Euro, and GBP. All right, these are not small folders, guys. Okay, these are not small folders. All right, so this is always going to have a major impact on it. So for example, Mr. Powell, all right, as the head of the central bank, which controls short-term interest rates, he has more influence over the nation's currency value than any other person. So whatever this guy says, man, is going to just dictate what goes on. But not only that, then you have Gbp and you have the euro. Everything, guys, all the major speakers are speaking today. So this could be one of crazy day. I haven't traded something like this in a long time. All right, to be honest with you, I have not. So we're just going to see how it goes. All right. Yep, OPEC meetings all day. Absolutely. Thanks, Chris. I appreciate that. Okay, so let's go take a peek at gold here. She's still looking like she wants to rise. I don't see any low wick, okay, right here. Generally, when you're looking for a double top, okay, you know, you can see one tap here, second tap. There's a little bit of a wick, okay. A lot of a candle. These candles look like indecision, okay. A little doji, maybe a little spinning top, and then that'll create the neckline. There's nothing that I see right here. Okay, so I can still see gold starting to rise pretty strong. So as of right now, like I said, I'm probably just going to remove this. Okay, we can keep it on there, keep that level 1823, 1824 area, same as yesterday, guys. This is almost the exact same area which we were trading in. Okay. Okay, so here we go, guys. Gold is starting to push just a little bit. Current time 8:13. I think obviously gold is going to probably tap that 1830 area, but we just got to get through that this noise here. Okay, so you can see to the left, guys. All right, you can see to the left, this is what we have. We're approaching this general area of previous consolidation. All right, so this is where you're not just eager to hammer smashing trades. All right, this is what you just want to watch and wait for here. If we do get a continuation, guys, I am looking for, okay, the potential break above probably 1828, okay, which is right in here, and we're looking at maybe getting to 1831. All right, you can see a little bit of divergence, so I don't, oops, sorry about that. It's divergence on the 5. Let's take a peek at the 15. All right, see what I'm saying on the 15 minute? Price push, okay, remember to talk about that neckline? Okay, this is the candle that'll form a neckline, okay? Do you guys understand that? Something like this. You have a tap here, a secondary tap. This is a neckline candle. You can see this long wick. All right, that is something that will potentially give price the ability to reject here and then fill and then push back down. But again, here we go. Here's that new candle, guys, that 815 candle. This is what I wanted to see. Just to take a peek at the 5. Okay, so if price does want to play out with how this is moving, you can see here. Sorry guys, it's raining like crazy right now. You guys can see here that we're starting to make an uptrend and that the price on the RSI is slowly starting to lose its momentum here, okay? But again, this is gold, so we'll just see how this is going to move. Okay, now let's take a peek at that US 30. Okay, so you have a little bit of a bullish flag pattern here, guys. If the dirty 30 is going to continue, all right, okay, let's see how we can hold this trend here. Okay, so if we break here, guys, this is going to be a golden cross. Price can start to push up. There's a bit of a flag. You can see that the price bottomed out here. That was the initial start of the candle, the move. Okay, they broke through, and then you can see the big momentum push right back above. So if this is going to continue, guys, I might take, I would like to take a buy here. I would, but the timing has me a little thrown off. Okay, just because I know there's news coming up. All right, I want to see if this golden cross is going to push. Okay, and we get up to at least tapping this area right here. Okay, let's go take a peek at gold. Okay, gold is starting to get that divergent play coming in. So right here, 1825. Okay, potential setup for the sell. Just see how we're going to get below this moving average. Yeah, guys, I haven't done anything yet, just watching here. Okay, US 30, you can see it looked promising, then nice little rejection coming in. So yeah, it looks like one very similar. Both US 30 and Nasdaq look exactly like that. What time frame are you looking on though? I noticed that this morning. Okay, Okay, so you can see nice rejection here. It's still holding above that trend. Watch for the pullback coming. Okay, so there's the rejection, guys. That's why you just wait patiently. Looked promising, but you can see it's wanting to push back and have that retrace. Let it do its thing. We're coming at that 820, guys. Let's take a peek at Goldie. It's all just waiting, guys, for the news coming up at first folder at 8:30. Okay. So let's take a peek at gold on the hourly, and we'll take a look at US 30 on the hourly too. So take a look at this, guys. Look at this momentum we have here. Okay, you can see tap out a demand 4-hour daily break, and then you can see potential continuation, but we'll have this nice rejection area coming here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Short-term retracement coming in, guys. All right, just about 4 minutes. Guys, you can go to Forex Factory. Financial Juice is another good one. Okay, Financial Juice has a little bit more info than Forex. The only reason why we use FX Factory is it's really commonly, a lot of people use it, so they recognize it, feel comfortable with it. You know what I mean? So, okay, so here we go. That bad boy up there, get a little bit of support. So that's 1824 here. Okay, just a coordinate. 1825 is coming in. All right, right in this general area. I just want to mark a nice whole number here for you guys so you can see. Okay, so gold is still very, very strong, guys. Okay, let's take a peek at that US. Okay, everything, guys, kind of pumped up. I'm just going to remove this. Okay, so let's see how we can trap this. Everyone should be waiting for news, guys. There we go. Some consolidation here. Okay, so retesting now. That 5-minute resistance once was, and now it's going to act as a support level. All right. Okay, so we're pushing right back down pretty strong here. I'm just going to remove this. Okay, remember we talked about the pullback, guys. This is exactly what it is right now. Okay, pullback is very strong, coming back right to that 200. Okay, let's go take a peek at that GU. And there's the sell, guys, coming in. We'll come right back to this. can see GU still pushing back down, a little bit of a short-term pullback. All right, but it's still running, okay? Okay, we're trendy, guys, so let's go take it at US 30. Big sell coming in. All right, so if we break this hourly, guys, okay, it would be very promising to take a sell right back down to probably the 15-minute. All right, so just watch and see here, but you guys know as soon as we get to these moving averages, price can be a little bit erratic. This is a little bit of a riskier move. Okay, I might take a little bit of a sell here, just looking to maybe get down to that 15-minute. Okay, this is the candle I'm watching on. If it holds below here, guys, I'll look. If not, it's just going to hover right around. Okay, so 825, guys, it's still showing a little bit bullish right now. Okay, in that terms of the overall trend. When it opened, it flickered green, okay, which is a sign that there are still buyers in and around this area. Okay, so let's just wait for that 8:30 news. Okay, what do you guys want to trade? Do you guys want to trade gold or US 30 through this? What do you guys want? Gold, US 30, a lot of dirty 30, guys. Okay, there's your gold, still very, very strong. Okay, now we have a nice little trend. Okay, so you can see US 30 here. Yeah, let's stick with US 30, guys, for sure. Okay, let's just see what's going on with gold. Give it a couple minutes here to take a peek at the 15. All right, so this thing is still very strong, guys. This thing has a lot of momentum to push. All right, let's see where we're at. I think we're going to get to probably that 1829 area, okay? And then we're going to see if we're going to push or pull through it. That's the key. But I like how the buys have been coming in very strong. The pullbacks are very short-lived, okay? So that's a key sign. Okay, so let's focus on US 30, guys. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable being in any kind of trade right now, okay, so here we go. News is coming up in about a couple minutes here. Okay, move that bad boy over here so we can just see what we're working with. So guys, pretty straightforward here. If we get negative news, this is going to continue. All right, follow the DXY. Looking at price, maybe getting back down to the average, which is like 30,989. All right. Guys, GU's back running again, looking good. Just under 1 minute now, guys. Okay. Okay, gold is showing two long wicks from the top and the bottom of the preceding candles. All right. Big folders coming up here. We're sticking with US 30, guys. Got about 10 seconds here, so let it roll. Okay. Okay, so both, all right, looking pretty juicy here. The US 30 sell look pretty promising. Okay, so not much movement here. Gold is floating, nice bullish move. Okay, let's take a peek at Goldie. Okay, still pretty strong here. Big move, guys. Continuation here. Okay, that broke, guys, from that. Held at roughly 1827. You can see the big push up here. So obviously gold was the better trade to trade. That's why I like gold on news, guys. It has big moves, but let's go check out US 30 here too. US 30 starting to float as well, okay? Okay, that's a big move, guys. I was also in a nice little buy there. Okay, so now I'm watching US 30 here. Big break on gold, guys. Okay, so watching here, the 31,055. Okay, guys, looking at maybe taking a short here. Okay, there we go. I'm in on that US 30 sell right now, guys. There we go, guys. Anyone with me on Dirty 30? Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see nice little move here, guys. Okay, I'm in from around here. The candle breaks when this started too, so this is for me. All right, I don't know where you guys are in at. I just mentioned to you that I was looking for the sells. 3094. Okay, roughly rated around here. Yeah, there we go. 3-1, yeah, around 3-125, so a little bit lower. Okay, right around here. Okay, so this is my TP right down there. If we do tend to break this structure, guys, okay, I'm looking at getting it down to right here. All right, it's still pretty good. Used a 5.0, so I'm a little bit happy with this. So I'm going to shave some off here. Okay, so 4.0, secure, and I'm going to leave a little bit of a runner here. Okay. Okay, so you can see why I did that. Still good. Might not get the below break here. Okay, so running at BE now. All right, got about $1 move here. I did a 5 lot, 5.0. Okay, secured is around 90, and I'm leaving this runner here. Okay, if it starts to push back down again, guys, I might enter in again. We'll watch and see. Okay, gold is still rising here. You can see it's still pumping huge. Okay, nice big move. Holding that 18 roughly. That wick came back down to that 1826.5 area. Okay, this is a big move here. So let's just watch and see. I would not be shorting too much of gold. All right, you can see maybe now is the time. This is what I'm looking for. We're coming to that previous level of resistance here to the left. This is the key level, so gold may get a little bit of a pushback right now in terms of retracement. We'll watch and see here. I'm telling you guys, gold doesn't retrace too much. All right, it just dips down for the overall possible continuations. All right, so watch and see here. US 30 still selling, guys. Okay, I'm looking for potentially US 30 to get down in here. Okay, but we need to break this level of 15-minute support. Okay, that's the key we need to break. You can see that's where the initial rejection happened. All right, so if we start to get in here, guys, I might add another one. Okay. Sarah would have been one of our admins. Okay, guys, I just took another US 30 sell here. Okay, so they're holding that level 15-minute. I removed it. Sarah, I removed that. Okay, so nice little wick, made a low here, getting pushed back up. Okay, so they're starting to close a little bit above that 15-minute. Okay, I'm still covering right at BE now on the secondary sell entry. Still going to get a little bit of time here. It's still about 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Sorry about that, guys. No, it's just I'm still on in this. Okay, let's take a peek at Goldie here. Okay, remember I talked about gold. All right, having those short-term pullbacks. Remember we talked about divergence here, guys. You can see I was showing, but that's on the 5-minute. Okay, 5-minute doesn't hold much weight in terms of breaking with gold. So, guys, if we break the gold daily buy here, this is going to be big. Okay, we're at a daily resistance right now. So if we push up, guys, I can see gold US 30 still tanking, guys. Just FYI. If we break here, guys, I'm looking for a top 1832. For a tap to get to that 1834 area. Okay. See if we can get that push. take a peek at US 30, baby. This is it. Let's go. Anyone holding this thing with me? There we go. So guys, that 15-minute support level, if you guys are not happy with, what you guys are getting, or you are happy, look to secure some of this. I'm looking for this to come back down to that hourly here. Okay, I did a 5.0 again. I'm going to secure 4.0. It's about 90. Okay, and I'm good. I'm going to leave this thing run as is. Okay. Okay. So US 30 is still running, guys. So you can see that gold has the big moves. Generally, I've been doing this for a little bit in terms of streaming. Okay, so you get those big impulse moves here. US 30 might take a little bit of time to fruition. All right, and a lot of people, guys, they don't like gold. Okay, they don't like gold. All right, so that's why I kind of focused on this for a lot of the guys here. It's a little bit, you don't get the crazy erratic moves like I mentioned to you, but you can see that it is slower, is a little bit better when it comes to, pre-market trading. All right, in terms of US 30 Nasdaq, you can see that gold, a little bit of resistance coming in on here now. All right, how far will we get? That's what we got to watch and see here. Okay, so we got around 1830, 1832 here, guys. Sorry, my eyes are a bit hurt from watching the screen so much. All right, so just watch, guys, very carefully here. Okay. There's US 30. Okay, so they're holding support level here. All right, you can see that the two wicks have started to open parallel and close to each other. Okay, the body is opened a little bit preceding this body here, just on this on currency.com. Okay, so just monitor this accordingly. I still have that runner going. All right, if it gets up to this area right here, I'll probably look at just closing it. I don't want to, let this runner go into a negative. Okay, as gold, nice rejection coming in. Okay, so you can see it's starting to get pushed down from that 1832 area. Okay, so let it do its thing here. Okay, remember, gold is still very strong, guys. It could be just that short-term pullback, okay, to gather some more liquidity to push it back up. All right, there's a strong resistance coming in at that 32, which is the daily. Okay, we got to expect that. Okay, it's the daily here. Okay, let's just erase this bad boy here, and we'll watch and see this is going. Let's just see the 15-minute resistance. I believe that was at that candle there, 27.5. Okay, guys, US 30 starting to push up a bit. All right, just let's see this. I'm going to secure that runner here. Okay, so I'm done on US 30 right now. All right, if we look at a little bit of a pullback, okay, I'll look at entering again, but this is, I'm done for now right now, okay? Okay, guys, so we're coming in here to 9 a.m. We got 15 minutes. Okay, so let's take a peek. 9 a.m. This is what we're coming to. 15 minutes, guys. So we just had this launch. We haven't even kind of refreshed us here. We're too busy watching everything else. All right. So you can see the numbers were negative. Okay. So let's take a peek at what the preceding preceding launches. Okay. You can see there's a lot of positivity here. Then you can see the hammering of the negative 6.9%. Okay, that's pretty big, guys. That's pretty big. All right. So let's just watch and see here. Now we have these coming up. This is the time where it's going to be very, very indecisive. A lot of movement. Okay. A lot of movement will come out of here. All right. So let's just be very careful. See what Mr. Powell says. Bailey and Lagarde. Okay. If US 30, guys, wants to break this 50-minute support again, I will look to take another short-term sell here, looking at getting it back down to that hourly. Okay. If they hold it, just going to leave it alone for now. Okay, so you see why you close your runners, guys, when they start to get this type of candle close and the next one opens. All right. I'm looking for this to tap that 15-minute resistance, which is coming right back to that 200 EMA. Okay, guys, at 9:05 we'll do Nasdaq. Okay. Let's take a peek at the DXY here too. It's a little bit of slow movement here coming in. Okay, so now, guys, you see how right back up to that 9 EMA and that 15-minute. All right, they're drawn to that, and you can see straight up that price of the US 30 is starting to rise. I think they're going to definitely at least get it to that 200 before the next big move coming in. All right, so let's watch and see. If price starts to get back down there, like I said, I'll look at entering in, maybe breaking the 15-minute support. But if not, like I said, we're just maybe look for the bullish move. Okay, let's take a look at the DXY here, guys. This is really important. Okay, 847. You can see that they're hovering it around here. Look at what's going on. So if we look on the 15-minute here, all right, you can see straight up that price, you know, it's starting to show rising territory here in terms of candlesticks. Look at what it's showing in terms of RSI. Not that this has a huge, okay, not that it has a huge impact on the 5, but this is on the 15, okay? So keep that in mind. We're right at that 50 level on the RSI. So that's key for the next big move. This is just choppy here, guys. So that news that we just had, it was big on gold. Like obviously you saw that big candle. It was fantastic. All right. But again, what we're looking for is these types of moves. The red folder coming in with the speakers. Okay. So let's look at this one more time on the hourly. Oh, guys, look at this. Yeah. So this is push pull movement here. This, and if you were with me at the beginning of the call, I mentioned to you that you know, today out of all days may be a impulse move day, you know, push pull move depending on what it is. Okay, and you can see the DXY is just choppy, in and out, in and out, in and out. And what I mean by in and out, it's pushing in, out, in, out. Okay, so it's just barcoding, essentially what you would want to call it. But if we break here, guys, on this 200 EMA, all right, look at what the level down. We have one key average 104.2. And that's a big move for the dollar, guys. Like both directions are big moves. The high 104, and then you can see the average. Okay, but again, the speakers who are speaking, okay, they are the ones that can move this. Out of everyone, out of all the news events, these guys that are speaking at 9 o'clock are the ones that make these. Especially the U.S. dollar for Powell, he moves this thing with words. Okay, not with anything else. So we're coming into 850, guys. All right, looks potentially like an M pattern, but if it holds structure here, it can form maybe a W pattern. Okay, so two likely ways. You can see M breakdown, okay, or you can see a W starting to form here that will push price right back up. Okay, so there's two directional ways coming in here that we have. All right, let's go take a peek at that US 30. Okay, so still rising here. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a 2-second break. I just got to refill my coffee. I'll be right back here. It's probably the best time if you guys got to go to the washroom or you guys got to do anything like that. Now would be the best time just because that news is coming up. Okay, so give me 2 seconds. Yeah, Gustav, we're going to do NASDAQ for market open, guys. Make sure to smash the likes to at least 200, 300. Show some support in this stream. And we'll definitely do NASDAQ market open. If you guys saw yesterday, the big candle, the thing ran 80 pips. Nice double bottom there. So hopefully you guys show the love and we can get that again. Okay, so 2 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sweet. Got the coffee ready to rip here. All right. Okay, guys, so we got 2 more minutes left on this current candle here. All right. Let's see what we got going on. Let's take a look at gold here. Okay, so it looks like a flag pattern. Let's watch and see if we can actually get this kind of move. Okay, if not, you can see we have a flag pull, potential flag. Okay, more, remember I said potential flag here. You don't need to. All right. So we're trapped here. Give it a couple more minutes. Got 8:55. Okay, so nice rejection coming in at 1832. Still holding. focus on US. We'll see, guys. Gold looks like a potential sell opportunity. All right, looks like potential both. You can see the last leg was just news on buys. So if we have one of our speakers at 9 a.m. start to, speak in the sense or speak in the way that, could drive some of the economy down, people will start buying gold again. Okay. Here we go, guys. Here's 855. So let me ask you guys, what do you want to trade? Do you guys want to trade US 30? Do you want to trade gold? You guys let me know here. Sticking on US 30 again, eh? No gold love here, guys. We got no gold love. Nasdaq, we are going to do leading into the market open, guys. So right near about 9 a.m. Okay, 9, 10, in and around there. So give us a good trade. We will like your stream. Guys, I gave you US 30 sell. I told you twice that I was in it. I don't know what more you want. Okay, guys. All right. So we might do US 30 again. Leave gold alone. Okay, so here's my moves on. Okay, so if we break above here, guys, obviously pretty straightforward. We're looking at top in 1834 or 35 area. If it's sold and we sell, okay, there's divergence here, a little bit spotted. All right, we can start to move in this general direction down here. Okay, but we need to close below this 9 EMA in terms of the sell. Okay, so let's just watch and see here. Nice short-term pull down. Okay, flat top. So let's watch and see here. Okay, so we're going to focus on US 30 here. Just going to set an alarm on gold for the bullish movement and potential bearish movement for the retracement. And we're going to focus on dirty 30. Okay, now guys, this news that they're talking about, it's a speaking event, okay? So please understand something, that this may not trigger it right away. That news event we just had, like, that is something where it will be triggered right away, okay? It's a positive or negative news result based on the preceding factors that were sent in. This is a speaker, okay? So they're going to need to maybe digest this a bit, all right? So understand that, okay? Digesting of the news is going to come into play here. So you can see US 30s indecision right now. We caught the nice little sell. All right, now it's potentially looking like another sell if we start to break this structure here, the uptrend. Okay, if 15-minute support level gets broken, that's where I'm going to enter in another of my sell opportunity, coming back down to that hourly. Okay. Guys, GU's back running again. Okay. It's pushing in and out, in and out. You can see that gold is just barcoding now, waiting for the next move. So that's 32 here. Okay, this level is 30, and then we have potential moves coming back down to 27, and then we have a move of 30, roughly 35. All right. This looks like a bullish flag pattern here. It does, okay? But we need to watch and see the continuation. We got less than 30 seconds, 45 coming in. Here's US 30 coming, okay? Okay, so just under 15 seconds, guys, and the speaking event will start. If you guys can drop in there the links, okay, for this event. I don't have it right now. If I do it, it'll probably delay the stream. I don't want to do that. So if you guys can find these links, please let me know and put them in the chat, okay? Yes, exactly, Bence. It's exactly what they are. Okay, Damien, can you share that on YouTube for us, bro? So US 30 right now, getting a little bit rejected at the 9. Okay, gold. You can see it's right in that consolidation, getting a little bit of rejection as well. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. Let's erase this. Okay, so not much movement has happened yet. Let's see if gold will get a nice little push here. Overall higher time frame is still showing gold bullish, guys, so let's watch. I entered in on a small buy on gold, guys. Feel it out, the runner here. If it gets pushed back down, I will look to close. So we'll take a peek at US 32. Okay, US 30 is running bullish, guys. Okay. Everything right now is kind of showing bullish tendencies. Okay. Okay, a little bit of indecision on both guys. Remember I told you the speaking events, okay, maybe take a little bit of time to digest. All right, so you can see that gold is still kind of floating up a little bit. Okay, a little bit of rejection coming in. Okay, this is still the first 5 minutes, guys. So I obviously like, I'm a 5 minute open candle trader. Okay, always wait for the first 5 minutes of the hourly. Testing the waters here, small lot size, and then we're going to go from there, okay? So you can see getting pushed down just a tad. So we'll take a peek at US 30. I want to see if this thing's going to flip. A lot of rejection here coming in too. In about 5 minutes, guys, we'll do Nasdaq. Absolutely, no issues there. Okay, guys, 25 more likes, guys, and we'll do Nasdaq. Absolutely. Everything just is starting now. Guys, please put Damien, if you can share that the link in the YouTube, that'd be fantastic. Okay, so gold is getting some rejection here, guys. My 0.1 is down about 20 pips. I'm going to close that, maybe look for a potential opportunity for a sell here, or I might just focus on US 30. Okay, it's still waiting on this 1 minute. Okay, so here we go. Here's the next candle, guys. Okay, so if we break above here, this is looking pretty good. You can see right around the 200 EMA. We're squeezed between the 9 as well. Okay. So nothing closed just yet. Everything's still holding strong. Okay. Gold is still in that consolidation area. Okay, let's take a peek here. Little divergence showing. Okay, let's move this around. Update that just a tad. Okay, everything is just low. Let's take a peek at the DXY here, see if we had any kind of movements. Remember we talked about those M&W patterns here. Okay, so looking like it held support so far. Okay, that was 8:55. 9 o'clock is closed above the 9. Okay, and then you can see we're still holding currently at price of 104.5. All right, gold is still sticking at that 1832 area. It's having a little bit of a hard time breaking it. Okay, but it's still pretty strong here. You can see 1832 right on the money. Still holding there. Okay, a lot of rejection though coming in at that 32. I still got that initial order running. I didn't close. Okay. Just move that over. So far. Okay, US 30. Okay, so it's starting to show, it gets really testing that EMA, guys, like very strong here. So if we do break above, guys, we're coming probably back down to the, or back up, sorry, to the original position right here. Okay. Okay, gold is getting a lot of rejection here, guys. If it gets down to that 1832, I'll close and look for a sell here. Okay, push up about 5 pips, and then you can see it keeps closing below there. So we got to understand that that's a key resistance area. All right, if I show you guys that right there, just so you can see. Waiting for this move right here around that 9 EMA. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections so far. Okay, 1, 2, you can see 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th. All right, so let's just let this watch play out. It is still in that consolidation range. A lot of indecision. All right, waiting for that move, which is going to be the speaking event to continue. Okay, so it looks like potentially it's going to sell off. All right, just because the rejections here, but if they drop any kind of subtle clues that the price of gold can rise, then we'll deal with it at that time. All right. 2 minutes, guys. We'll do the nasty here. Okay, guys, they're getting a lot of resistance here so far. All right. Here's Mr. Powell coming in, guys. Just got an update for one of the groups. Okay, I would love to stream this for you live, but it would lag the stream to the point where we couldn't even trade. All right, so this is going to be the key coming in here probably 9:15, we're going to get a lot of news. All right, Ian, don't even worry about it, dude. I already talked to the admin about waiting and sending sending some trades a little bit before or after the news. So I already mentioned it to them. Okay, guys, you can see that gold is still running here. Okay, it's getting now another rejection attempt. Okay, we gotta see that this is a very strong level. They don't know indecision. Okay, 1832, that's the daily. So if we break here, guys, this thing is gonna rocket either way. All right, rejection or continuation. All right. Okay, slow and steady, guys. So 910 here. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna focus on Nasdaq now. You guys okay with that if I do a top down on NAS? You guys can monitor these accordingly. I'm not in anything. I'm still in that gold buy. That's the only thing I'm in, but it's a small lot size, so I don't really even count it. Okay. If you guys want to do Nasdaq, just like it. Just give me some heads up. All right, and we'll start doing that. Okay. Start commenting, guys, and then we'll go. Okay. I need to make sure that you guys are cool with what everything's going on. Check your spreads also. Yep. It's news time. Okay, there's a US 30 pop here. And we're going to focus on Nasdaq. Okay. All right, let's get ready to rock. So erase everything here, guys. This is just from yesterday. Let's go to the daily. Okay, here we go, guys. All right, so you can see they pushed and filled that gap here on the 24th. All right, you can see now on the 28th. All right, they're now pushing back down below that 9 EMA. Okay. Let's take a peek at the rejection. Nice supply here coming in. Okay, and if we're looking for a demand there, it's pretty much the same, similar situation as US 30. Okay, so we got about nice demand daily right down here. Okay, there we go. Support, perfect. Okay, and then I see some daily resistance coming in right up here. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour now. See how we're moving. All right, so let's move these moving averages here, guys. Get a little clean structure. There we go. Okay, so let's get our 4-hour. See, nice level rate bound here. Okay, starting to hold. 4-hour support. Okay, and then I see some 4-hour resistance coming in just a little higher. All right, pretty strong. Right around here. Okay, so we're in nice consolidation. Okay, so looking good here. If we go to the hourly now, let's take a peek. Josh, I'm not too sure actually, dude. I'm just focusing on this. Give me a sec here and we'll finish it up. Okay, got 4-hour, just moving that down. Okay, zoom in here. heavy consolidation. Okay, we got 1 hour support. And then I'm seeing some hourly resistance here. Okay, so if we break there, guys, this is what I'm looking for also on the 15 now. Actually, there we go. That's what I wanted to see, just in case we do break, guys. All right. There we go. Okay, guys, once that gold is starting to dump here, okay, that just hit stop loss for me. We're starting to move. I'm going to enter in a short-term sell right now. Okay. Okay, it's at the hourly. And we'll monitor this accordingly. So this is what I wanted to see. We've got 15-minute coming in. Support. Okay, so the level is 1828. Okay. Okay, here guys, so 15-minute. Let's get the resistance here coming. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna watch for about a couple more minutes here, guys. See how this is gonna lead into the 5. Okay, so now starting to push on Nasdaq. Let's take a peek at the 5, guys. Beautiful. Okay, so we're starting to rise here. You can see nice momentum starting to force in. Okay, I can't see the speech of what Powell's saying, guys, but it's obviously everyone's saying it's bullshitting here. Okay, so Nasdaq is looking like it's starting to rise here pretty strong. All right, we're just tapped that hourly, and you can see it's starting to move to the upside now. All right, take a peek at US 30 and gold here. I just was monitoring everything that everyone's saying in the chat. We'll take a peek here. Okay, so you can see that the price of gold started to dump off here, nice engulfing candlestick, starting to retest that hourly. Okay, you can see it's pushing right back in. All right, so we're going to see how this move is going to get a nice continuation based on the 920, 925. Okay. Okay, guys, so you can see we pushed it right back up above that 1830 area for GOLD. All right. Let's see what we got going on now. Okay. Let's take a peek at US 30 as well. Big move on dirty 30, guys. Okay. Big move. Nice continuation right through that 200 EMA. Okay, so we're approaching now that potential double top area on the dirty. Okay, but we'll watch and see how price is going to move. Okay, and we'll take a look at GU really quickly. Okay, so GU's hovering in and out, guys. So that trade, you can see it's not letting it break below 15. All right, at the low, you can see 21417. If we get past this 10 pip drop here, its price of gold can still, price of GU can still look like to drop. It's still pretty promising here. All right, so we'll just watch and see how the the next couple speakers finish up their speeches. Okay. And then there's 3030 continuing. All right, guys, what do you guys want to trade for the market open? We got Nasdaq. Okay, we got US 30. Okay, and then we got, I'm not going to do gold, guys. I'm not going to do gold. I'm just going to do Nasdaq or US 30. Okay, so we got a lot of love here. Okay, so we got a lot of nasty, a lot of Dow. All right. Let's take a peek. We'll do probably Nasdaq. All right. US 30 looks like a beautiful potential double top, guys. Okay, so we'll take a peek now. Take a watch at Nasty. I wanted to see how the next couple minutes were going on US 30, guys, but Nasdaq is looking like almost the same way. Okay, here we go. Nice little testy. All right, on the uptrend. Okay, so we got just under 22 seconds here for the continuation. Okay, so nice little momentum still holding on that trend. Okay, US 30 is trying to follow the same way. Okay, so nice double top here starting to form. Okay, so this is looking good, leading into Nasdaq. Okay, so here we go, guys. Coming in just about 4 minutes. We're going to focus on the nasty. All right, so here we go. Okay, so if you're new, guys, don't trade 930. All right. Okay, wait 10 to 15 minutes, guys. 5, 10, 15, and risk no more than 1%. Okay. Understand that this is a very volatile time coming in, and we have that news digesting. All right, so keep in mind that a lot can happen. Okay, so I'm watching here very critically, guys. I want to see this move right down at the bottom. I want to see this wick right there. Okay, so you see how it held nice support. Okay, let's take a look at the 15. All right, look at the moves where we're at, guys. Nice 4-hour rejection coming into 4-hour support. All right, so critical area, we're in the 50 line. All right, on the 15, let's take a look at the 5. All right, all right. Okay, so just coming up to 1 minute left here, guys, 30 seconds. Remember, guys, this is news. All right, so we have a lot of, indecision coming in. Let's see if we're going to hold or fold them here. Okay, I'm looking for potential sell right below this 1161, guys. Okay, if we get down here, this is the area. Let's see if we can get past this previous support. Okay, see the 50 line? Okay, so the first candle is obviously indecision. All right, so just chill out on it, let it do its thing, and go from there. Gold is selling off, guys, looking good. There's gold, guys. Say nice sell opportunity. Okay, so I'm in a sell right now, guys, running. Okay, 11611 is the TP, or sorry, the entry. All right, this is also the one we sent to our Discord group. Okay, secure when you can, guys. Do not get greedy. Price can push right back up. Okay, it's a little bit of indecisive move, but you can see it is running here. Okay, it's running about 37-40 pips. Okay, there we go, guys. Who's in on Nasdaq with me? This thing is running hard, guys. I think it's gonna tap, even go below the low, guys. This thing is a beast. Look at that thing, on 55 pips. Oof, that's big, guys. Oh, guys, oh man. Don't get greedy here, guys. Move your stop loss at least into here if you guys understand that. Like, this is the key area you want to, like, oh my goodness, guys. Buy indices. Ugh. There we go. TP and smash right here, guys. Don't get greedy. Still running, guys. There we go. Still running. Tapped it, guys. I'm done. I'm out. Anyone else smashing this? Nasdaq, US 30. Okay. Told you guys this is why I'm out. Very fast push back up. Told you that was the TP, guys. And then look at this momentum swing. Okay. Don't get greedy here. Guys, gold is still running here too. Finally, one good gold trade. Let's go take a look at this POS. Let's go take a look. Okay, I'm still running in this, guys. Looking pretty good here. Fucking gold, guys. Pardon my French. Gold can be a POS sometimes, guys. I apologize on that. You know, I'm running still 10 pips on this thing. But my goodness, 12. Here we go. I got an 1829, okay? 0.8. A little bit of slippage here, all right? It just takes a little time, guys. And it all started from this engulfing candlestick right here, all right? DXY is pumping, guys, all right? 1829 was the entry, okay? So you can see that's 1829.1, but we'll make it even so you can see. I'll send both this stuff to Discord, all right? We had our admin team working pretty strong on this one here. Okay, you can see it's now running about 10, it's ran about 15, all right? Nice divergence play. Okay, GU, guys, let's take a peek at GBP USD as well. Ay, ay, ay. Anyone still running and holding GU from before? That was a trade idea that we sent this morning, guys. That thing's running about 25 pips. Okay. There's gold. I think we can get down to at least the 15-minute support on gold, guys. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a hold up here. All right, so if it doesn't break here, guys, I'm going to secure some of this. Still running about 10 pips. All right, I did a standard, so it's 120, 130 now. I'm going to secure 0.9. Okay, that's 90% of that trade. I'm going to leave a runner. Okay, my runner's running $19, so that'd be 19 pips. Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq too, see if that thing started to push. I will put in the short here. I did mention to you guys up here that I was selling. Okay, but you can see there we go, guys. There it is. There's the drop. Morgan, how do you secure partials? You go to your checkout, you know, when you're exiting the screen, and if you do a standard 1.0, you then would enter in 0.9. Okay, so that is 90% of the overall trade. Okay. And let's take a look at Nasdaq real quick. See if it's still holding bullish. Oh, guys, look at this thing. See, it started to push up, still starting to float. Okay. So, guys, I am now just running at break even on gold. Okay, for my runners. Okay, I told you guys I bought in here and it just tapped me out. So I lost on that one. Okay, but this trade made up for it as I did a standard, and you can see it dropped about, it's running about 25 pips. Okay. And they gapped it down here. We're going to see if they're going to hold support or push it back. All right. I'm looking for gold to tap that 15-minute here. Okay, we'll go check out Nasdaq for 1 second. There it goes, guys. Wow, look at that. Okay, 45. Okay, 45 pips running, guys. I'm just going to give gold a little bit of love. We didn't focus on it too much today. You can see US 30 here. Okay, there's that big M pattern we talked about, guys. Shit, I wish we traded US 30 here too. Oh man, look at that. Look at that Big dump, guys. Wow. That candle alone, just halfway through, guys. That's a 90 pip candle. Beast on beast. Okay, let's see if Nasdaq is still holding this. Pushing right back down, guys. I will look to take another Nasdaq sell if we break this low. Okay, so there's gold. Let's see that thing actually. Okay, we're back at 24 now. All right. Ben's, I'm with you, my man. There we go, guys. Finally. Whew. Roughly about a 60 pip drop from 29. Okay. Sorry, about 50. Is anyone holding gold here? Anyone getting gold? Did anyone take it? A lot of people in my group, I know they like gold, but they don't. It's like that clingy girlfriend that they don't want around sometimes, you know. And sometimes, guys, it does happen like this where you take some losses and then you got to make it up. All right. US 30 Nasdaq. Let's still focus on this, guys. If we smash down to here, like I'm setting an alarm here. If this thing goes down, guys, that's critical for me, because if we break that, look at that big juicy candle that we can start to fill. Okay. Okay, and that would be a big dump, guys. We're talking about a 65 pip drop here if that thing drops. Okay, I want to see Nasdaq too. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to hold. Okay, there's a lot of rejection coming in here, guys, at that 4 hour. Guys, if we break this level right here, it's going to come back down to the daily. Okay, this is 9:45 time now. All right. Haven't seen this level in, let's see here. Yeah, we're shit. Okay, so last time we saw this was in June 23rd. Okay, so a few days ago. All right, but we pumped up and now we're right back here. So if we break, guys, this is no problem pushing back down and getting to that sell area. Okay. Guys, there we go. I think that gold just smashed that. Oh, guys, there it is. Let's go here, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, 80. There it goes. 65 pips, guys. Just have faith, guys. I'll try to get you in the best gold trades as possible. Some of them, they don't always work, but some of them we catch them nice and early. My gosh. If we break here, guys, this thing is coming back down to that 1820 area for sure. Okay. Next TP potentially would be right here. Okay, and we're going to check out Nasdaq too. Okay, guys, I'm looking to potentially take a little bit of a Nasdaq sell. I just want to see the RSI here. One sec. No, not right now. I needed to break here with a little bit more confidence. guys, who is holding GU here with me? Is anyone still rocking GU? Anyone still holding it? The thing's running around 50 pips. Okay, there we go, still dropping. Okay, gold's back, 1820. Yeah, okay, well, you want to see the setup for GU? This was set on the 4-hour, guys. Okay, so I'll just show you on the 4-hour how this looks. Okay, looking to the left here. Do you guys see that structure? That's what we're looking at right there. Okay, and there's a long bottom wick. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Just study that. All this guys are having is a nice conversation. Unfortunately, guys is plural, so that'd be 2 people. I'm a single person on here, so I don't know who I'd be having a conversation with. So there we go, guys. There's gold still selling off here. Let's take a look at NAS. Okay, so pump right back up, guys. So I was ready to smash, and nothing happened here. Okay. Okay, and gold is just doing gold here. Okay, so guys, looking good here. You can see that Nasdaq pushed right back up, started to drop again. Okay, held it, and you can see it's still starting to form here. Okay, let's watch and see. Julian, just wait a second. It still potentially could hold here. It could get down to the daily. Okay, it's a big potential candle. You want to watch the 32-second close here. Okay, about 5 more minutes here, guys, and we're coming to that 9:55. All right. Okay, X gold is still dropping, guys, down to the 20 mark. She's gone. That's it, guys. It's about an 85, 90 pip gold sell. There it goes. I didn't have to do that. I was just joking around anyways. It's all good, man. Thanks, Mida, for donating. You don't have to do that, man. Like I said, I know I had a feeling you're talking about these guys on YouTube. All they do is they chat. So no issues there, dude. Why is gold selling? DXY is selling, Ben. That's a good question. It obviously has something to do with being said. Like I said, I usually watch Bloomberg all the time. Okay, and I get updates based on that. And I do watch the YouTube stuff, but if I stream that on this stream, guys, we will literally be in the biggest lag of life. So I'm not really looking to do that, unfortunately. You know what I mean? So, okay, let's take a peek at Nasdaq. Holy shit, guys. Okay, so let's focus on Nasdaq right here. Okay, I'm looking for, if we break this 4 hour, guys, like for real, if we break 4 hour here, okay, this is going to be a steady buy. Okay, I am watching this. You guys want to, oh, guys, if we break this 4 hour resistance, guys, this thing is going to be a rocket. Okay, I am going to buy Nasdaq. I'm buying it. Small lot size. It's going to be a 2.0. We're going to see how this is going to go. Okay, so I got a market execution going on. If it gets back down to that hourly, like I said, I'll look to get out, but if it's still going to push like this momentum here, we're going to watch and see. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm back in the blue. Let's see if we can get that push. This has been a heavy resistance area for quite some time. All right. There's a big wick right up there. Let's see if we can get that thrust. Okay, so I'm hovering in and out between like $15, $20, and now it's coming into like break even. Okay, so it's fast, guys. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, okay, no one says you have to take any of these kind of traits. All right, so just understand that this was just me kind of doing an impulse thing, small lot size, and we'll see how this is going to move. GU is still dumping, guys. Gold is still, oh my gosh, guys, gold is at, oh, guys, don't tell me anybody bought gold here, please. Don't tell me anybody bought gold. Please don't tell me anybody bought gold here. If you guys got out of your sell, that's okay. That thing dropped about 120 pips, guys. My God. That was a beast of a sell, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq still fluctuating a bit. Let's go back in here. Okay, so a little rejection here, guys. I'm still in drawdown. If it cuts back and it gets down to this hour, I will close. Okay, I'm not going to mess with this. Okay, so watch for the gold pump, guys. They might fluctuate and switch all this over. And what I mean by that is the switching might turn from buying to selling. Okay, and that's just how it goes. We got 10 a.m. guys, the new hour candle here. Okay, new hourly. I'm still in on this thing. She starts to drop, I'll look to exit. Gold went from daily resistance, guys, to daily support. Just FYI, I'm not too sure if you've noticed that. Okay, daily resistance to daily support. Uh-oh, guys, let's see. There we go. I'm back at break even. You guys, what do you guys think? Can all the snipers get all together and push this thing past the 4 hour? Vision gold sell saved my account. About to blow my account with US 30. Was shitting my pants. Wow, that's the move of the day. Okay, so it's hovering in and out here, guys. Got 2 minutes until that 10 a.m. Pushing right back down, guys. How many commodities do we trade? I just like to focus on gold. I used to want to do oil, but there's not a lot of people who want to do it. You know what I mean? We have some people who love oil in the group, but they have better spreads. Okay, if you're a prop firm trader or whatever it is, they don't like it because it's very high spreads. So okay, we got about a minute left here, guys. Let's see how this is going to turn out. Moon or Doom at 10 a.m. Okay, so they're looking like they're pushing back down. Still holding, waiting for that hour. Sushi on weekend, Josh. You know it, bro. Hopefully you're feeling better. I'm really happy to see you back. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's that new candle open up here at 10 a.m. Looking like they're it's selling off here back down to the hourly. Okay, right out of this zone here is where I'm looking. I don't think they have enough momentum to push this, guys. I don't think they do. I want to wait to see how this candle closes. Then we'll go from there. I'm still holding it. On the 2 lot, it's down about 50 bucks. All right. Okay, so it's pushing right back down. It's in this zone right here, in the area where price has had an indecision movement here. Okay, you can see this is the key that I'm looking for right here. Okay, I still holding the sell? No, I'm in the buy right now and drawdown. Guys, if we get this here, oh man. Look at this weak candle movement here, guys. 10 a.m. Here we go, guys. Here's the flip. I'm back in. Let's go. Come on. Get it. Oh, guys, I'm back up about 20 bucks now, running in and out. Here we go. Here it is, guys. Here's the 4-hour test. I'm running 30 bones. It's indecision territory here. Let's see, guys. Oh, guys. Who's in this thing with me? Everyone, Dave, you FOMO'd. Dave, you FOMO'd. Guys, I wasn't sweating there, but I was like, guys, don't do this to me live. Don't do it. Don't do it, guys. Guys, secure when you can. Don't get greedy here. This thing, if it wants to move. The only reason why I took that thing was because of the big bullish reversals here. All right, guys, I'm gonna secure this. I'm happy. I don't care if this thing even rockets up even more. That is crazy, guys. What a stressful situation. Here we go. Okay, I just closed 50 pips. Done. Neon Rave, I think that trade only went my way because of what you said. So, guys, congratulations if you guys held that. You can still see it walking as well. All right. All right, guys. So, guys, with that being said, here it's 10:03. Okay, I got to get off the stream. I would love to stay a little bit longer here. I got to get talking with Ron about the boot camp. Okay, guys. With that being said, the boot camp is live. We've been doing the last 2 days. Christopher Barnes, you made 2K on Nas today. Wow, congratulations, man. That's huge. That's big. 2K days, man. Wow, that's massive. Okay, guys, let this thing pop up here for a sec. Okay, guys, so right here you can see 11 a.m. Here it is. We just did psychology of trading on day one, and then we did day two, types of traders. Okay, this day, guys, Smart Money Concepts is worth the entire boot camp itself. Okay, this is about a 3-hour, I guess you could say, day, and it's starting from 11 to 2. Okay, so you can see day 3 right there. All right, guys, if you want to join, I did remove, not me personally, but I say I because it's the business, but we removed some of the people, so there is some spots open left here. We might replay day 1 and day 2 on the weekend, so if you guys do want to join, you guys can see this. All right, but day 3 alone, guys, is worth it. I'm guaranteeing you right now. Okay, day 4, you can see technical indicators and strategies, and day 5 we go live. Okay, Ron is going to handle this one. Day 5, very good at backtesting and answering some good questions here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So our monthly's closed, guys. If you want to join the 3612, you can use code at the checkout bootcamp. All right. So and remember, guys, 11 a.m. and it goes to about 2, so 3 hours. Okay. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions or where to join up, it's right here. I just made it pretty pretty much idiot proof, so you can see it, guys. If you have any questions here, please check it out. Okay, get in touch. All right. That's where you go from there. Okay. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Hopefully everyone held it. And you can see that if you didn't, it pushed right back down, that dirty, dirty, nasty. Okay? So, all right, guys. We will resume. Same time, same channel tomorrow. Have a great day. This Nasdaq might be just a retest, though, so just monitor this accordingly and go from there. Okay? All right, guys. I will see you 7:30, 7:45 on Thursday, the 30th, and we will rock on. All right, guys, have a great day. I got eggplant emojis going on here, bananas. We're good to go. Okay, all right, guys, peace out. Later. Thanks for joining in. God bless you all. Bye bye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.